Ferrari mechanic here today. We got a Ferrari 488 in for a state inspection. Just got to plug it up to the OBD2 port and run it through. Got the paddle shift, push button start.
I'd have to check the register. I think we did. Just tell Al it's all set. I got it running.
Inspection on a Ferrari 488.
Yeah, you got to get one of us in there going sideways at 30.
Yeah, right.
I like how there's no front plate too. Is that the Audi? No. Or is that the Prius? Oh, I know. Yeah, probably might not be full foot at the end of the day, but...
We got the big 6-disc brake calipers, carbon fiber rotors. This thing's pretty sick. Be sure to hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel. I'll be posting more cool cars that come to the shop along with DIY auto repair videos. Questions or comments, please leave them below. Until next time, thanks. Ferrari Mechanic.